At Plastics Unlimited, we are industry leaders, dedicated to designing solutions for our customers. And we do this all while providing the highest quality and customer satisfaction. One of the most sought-after services that Plastics Unlimited offers is thermoforming. Thermoforming is a process where a plastic sheet is heated to a pliable forming temperature, formed to a specific shape using a mold, and then trimmed to create the finished product. The sheet can be custom ordered in many different variations of thickness, texture, and color. The plastic sheet can also have a UV protective film to ensure the finished product can withstand harsh outdoor conditions for many years. Thermoforming begins with a flat sheet of plastic getting loaded into the thermoformer. The clamping frame holds the sheet during the heating and forming process. The sheet will then go into the oven until it is heated to a pliable forming temperature. After it has reached its moldable temperature, it moves to the molding station, where the mold comes in contact with the sheet, stretching the plastic over the mold to create an airtight seal. Each mold has very small vacuum holes to evacuate the air between the plastic and the mold during forming. Most of our production molds are temperature-controlled aluminum and can be male or female. Once the forming stage is completed, the part will cool in the tool until the plastic becomes rigid. Water lines in the cast aluminum, along with fans on the outside, work together to evenly cool the part, so there is minimal internal stress in the plastic part. After cooling, it is moved to the unload station, where it is fully inspected and then transported to the CNC, where it will be trimmed. There are many different kinds of thermoforming, including vacuum forming, pressure forming, twin sheet molding, and also two-sheet glue. For more information on our thermoforming process and to see how we can exceed your expectations, please contact us today.